Okay, now it's commentation by Robin, because Jim is probably boring. Okay. You know where I'd rather be right now? I'd rather be in New Orleans, celebrating with the rest of the saints and doing Mardi Gras, because this is just a bunch of crap. Our snowblower that we share with our neighbor next door right there is in their garage. They haven't gotten out yet. I think they're still asleep with the twins. And Jim says we can do this by hand. See all this? I did. Thank you. This is a wet snow. See this guy? This guy is plowing. And it piles up right there, so that we can get out way high. Yeah, thanks. Our streets are nice and clear, but we can't get to them. Thank you so much. The next round is coming. It's already started. And we're expecting another, 18 inches or something ridiculous like that. So my car's nice and stuck in there, but not going anywhere. It's just wet and back-breaking, and my Netflix didn't come, so I have nothing to watch. Oh well, we'll stay inside. I do have some vodka, that should help. In any case, see y'all later. Bye. Sammy, thanks for having my monkey hat.